Hey guys, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and somebody sent a message asking when I go to Waco to see what's blooming at this time of the year, right before Christmas, really. So Huggy Bear and I are in the gardens, and I'm going to do a quick video showing you what's going on. Let's go. Let's look at the rectangle raised beds. They are filled with coneflowers. At first I thought they were dahlias, but they are not. And they are stunning, and the colors are amazing. They also have the white pansies going around them. Just stunning. Now for Christmas, they have the beautiful white snapdragons, which I love, and it's perfect for this temperature. Now, I noticed there was a red one every now and then. I wonder if that was an error on planting. Okay, one of my favorite flowers is the blue and white mealy cup sage. They smell amazing, they look stunning, and the bees were there. It was amazing. You can't have enough of these. Okay, no matter how many times I come, I love looking at the silos. They're just amazing. Here's the white mealy cup sage. Okay, they're known for their China rose, just stunning. Okay, when you come, don't forget to shop at the Magnolia seed supply. It's just adorable. Okay, I love their little greenhouse, and it was filled with a lot of tropicals. I think I need to build one of these greenhouses. I mean, not only beautiful, but it would be just so handy at my farm. While some of the beds are empty, you wouldn't notice because of the Chinese pistachio that's turned yellow. I mean, just beautiful. Okay, here's another mistaken planting. They have just one pansy that's not white, but it makes it fun. I love all the grasses and the boxwoods that border all the beds. It really makes a neat appearance, but I love the grapevines that are used as trellises. They're also used for fencing, which I love, and this summer we should try to make our own. Okay, the fence line is really important. It's the jewelry of the garden. It represents what's going to be inside. I always finish my tours with a picture of the Jeep with Huggy Bear, but this time we have an extra visitor that wanted to give Huggy Bear his Gatorade, and his name is BB. And what I love about that name is it's a fourth generation name. He was adorable.